meantime, let's also talk about right after the India bloc huddle on the eve of the Waqf bill tabling on the plan, on the floor strategy, what it is going to be. We will be speaking on that issue as well. In fact, when it comes to reactions that have been coming in, the time and again, the government has been pressing on the issue, saying that certain political parties in the opposition and also when it comes to more Muslim organizations have done nothing but to fearmonger and to spread misinformation. Now, even when it comes to the Lok Sabha's Business Advisory Committee, which included leaders from all major political parties, agreed on a stipulated 8-hour period for a debate to be conducted over the Waqf Amendment Bill.
The introduction stage itself, India Alliance parties and all, along with other like-minded parties, on the introduction stage itself is opposing the anti-constitutional provisions of Waqf Bill. Waqf Bill, Amendment Bill, basically it is a targeted legislation and it is fundamentally against the constitutional provisions. We will strongly oppose the provisions which are anti-constitutional on this issue.
देखिए, ये बिल जो है प्रथम दृष्टया भारत के संविधान की मूल आत्मा के खिलाफ, ये देश को बांटने का प्रयास है। इंडिया गठबंधन पूरी शक्ति के साथ ऐसे किसी प्रयास को नकार देगा, पूरी शक्ति से विरोध करेगा जो देश के संविधान की मूल भावना के खिलाफ है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी संविधान नहीं मानती, ये साफ हो। पूरा देश देख रहा है नीतीश बाबू आपकी तरफ, पूरा देश देख रहा है नायडू जी आपकी तरफ। चिराग जी कहाँ हो? सबके चेहरे बेनकाब हो जाएंगे।
जेपीसी बनी इसके ऊपर तो विपक्ष सब इकट्ठे थे, हम लोग आज भी इकट्ठे हैं, क्योंकि बिल में जो कुछ चीजें उन्होंने लाई है वो देश को विभाजन की तरफ लेके जाएगी, प्रताड़ित करने वाली है। इसलिए उसके ऊपर जो बिल आ रहे, तो बिल में उन्होंने सुधार लाए कि नहीं जो हमने प्रस्तावित किए थे उनको, क्योंकि जेपीसी खत्म हुई, जेपीसी में वो क्लॉज टू बैक क्लॉज चर्चा भी नहीं हुई। फिर क्या करें? कल हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे, हम लोग कोई पूरा चर्चा करेंगे, हमें जो मुद्दे रखने हैं वो रखेंगे।
हम वाच कर रहे हैं कि सौगाते मोदी वाले क्या कर रहे हैं। जेडीयू टीडीपी के सांसद क्या रुख अपनाने वाले हैं। जब जेपीसी बन गई, जेपीसी में सुझाव हो गए, सबने अपने अपने सुझाव दिए, हमने भी सुझाव दिए। देखते हैं, अभी रात तो बाकी है ना, हम उन पर नजर बनाए हुए हैं।
Well, there, as far as when it comes to the suspense on certain political parties, however, continue. But right now, Nyamika, we are hearing from the Congress party's side. However, they have been alleging that their voices are being ignored and saying that the opposition parties wanted more time to debate and the House to take up other issues as well, other than the Waqf Amendment Bill. So they want other issues to be also taken up. This is going to be the last week of the second leg of the budget session of Parliament anyway.
Well, yes, indeed, and that is the only reason why yesterday a crucial meeting has taken place within the Parliament itself, which was being chaired by the Leader of Opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, in which the floor leaders of the India bloc parties were also being present to prepare a strategy of the opposition when this Waqf Amendment Bill will be tabled in Lok Sabha. And at that point of time, a statement which has been given by the Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, is that this Waqf Amendment Bill is basically an attack upon the constitution. So that is the viewpoint of the Congress party's MPs as well. They are saying that it is the union government which is trying to impose this bill upon this country, as they were not ready to listen to the statements, to listen to the suggestions which were being given by the opposition MPs during the JPC meetings as well, because the 44 amendments which were being proposed by the opposition parties were being junked off by the JPC, and for that reason they are saying that even the union government is not ready to listen to the voices of the opposition parties, because they are also trying to give their suggestions which they are getting from the ground. They are also speaking to various stakeholders from the ground, and that is the only reason why they wanted some more time for the discussion upon the Waqf Amendment Bill, because not just Rahul Gandhi, but there are other MPs of the Congress party itself, which also includes Syed Nasir Hussain or Imran Masood, who were a part of the JPC. They are also saying that appropriate time was not being given to them to hold discussions regarding this entire issue, as they are saying that it is not in favor, it is not in welfare of the country, the manner in which this entire bill, Waqf Amendment Bill, is being imposed upon upon the country, and that is why they are saying that it is an attack upon the constitution. It is against the constitutional rights which are being
So what the
given.
government is coming out to say that without going through as far as the said amendments are concerned, because the bill was sent for consideration to the JPC, the Joint Parliamentary Committee, it sent out its report, it was taken up, and now it is going to be tabled again. So without going through the modifications that are now being said to be applicable once if it passes, this is something that the opposition is fear-mongering over the issue. Let's in the meantime